In this video I'm going to show you how to download a PDF CV from Canva. As you can see, I have created a CV, a resume, and now we would like to download it as a PDF file. So after that, go to share, then click on download. After that, select the preferred file. For sharing online, I would use the PDF standard. If you would like to print it, then use the PDF print option. For now, I will use the PDF standard option because I would like to email it to someone. And after that, you can click on download. Once you have done this, then the CV, the resume, will be downloaded. Now, if you will open this file, then you will see we have successfully downloaded a PDF CV from Canva. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye!